Hey everyone, it's Martina the Hair again. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I did my sister's big jumbo box braids. If you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep watching. So when I did these jumbo box braids, I didn't use any rubber bands. I just started braiding with the extensions on her natural hair. I used about 9 packs of this Kankalon hair. Now this hair was really hard to work with. I like using the pre-stretched hair now, but this was the only hair that we could find that was ombre and it was a perfect color. So we ended up going with this hair and it turned out really nice. It was just really hard on my fingers. I don't know if you've seen from the first clip, but the hair was kind of rough to work with. But in the end, it turned out really nice, and that's all that matters.